Hello everyone, welcome to TechSpot. My name is Anush Kumar, a Jira administrative trainer. In today's session, that is session 7, we will cover what is a global configuration. Inside a global configuration, we will see time tracking and its configuration, how we will issue linking means how we will link the issue. Then we will do how we can create a custom prioritization and delete or edit the prioritization. Then we will see notification. We will edit the notification in which events and their notification adding and removing of the user and group for their notification and custom event creation. This we will do. Then then we will move further to a permissions and security where we will see permission schema who can browse, edit and assign them issue. Then we will move to the security labels and schema, then global permission and managing the project access and firewall. This we will cover in this session. So let me move to some basic definition in time tracking configuration. What we will do? This, this setting define how the time is estimated, logged, or displayed for the task issue in the Jira. Means in time tracking configuration, we can configure the estimations of the time logged work displayed by the task and issue. Means uh, we know in work log, the respective developer who is assigned to a user story, he mentioned how much amount of time he has basically given to the respective user story. So he in there in work log he mentioned his time. He have worked 6 hours. He have worked one day. He have worked minute. You know. So that thing basically is time tracking. So where we get working hours per day, week. Okay, time display format, time tracking permissions, and estimation method. We will see there. You know what is original time estimate, remaining time estimate. Original time estimate in the story, we have seen in previous classes that what is the total amount of time a story will need to complete. Okay, and remaining estimate how much time the developer has given to respective user story and how much time is remaining. So that is remaining time estimate. Then issue linking configuration. What will happen? We will create issue and link that issue to respective users or project. Okay, so basically the first definition, issue linking configuration. This define the relationship between the issue in labeling the user to create a logical connection. Like link the issue, we know generally if the issue is bug, then we link the issue by blocked by. Okay, you remember? Let me show you here and create issue. In create issue, basically what we are doing, down, labels, block. Oh, link issue. This thing I am basically talking in this slide. So basically when it is a bug, we will do blocked bug. Clone, then we select clone. Okay. This thing. Duplicate. This we select. Type issue is related to. We will see. Now, for that thing. We can create our own custom link issue and we can edit in the field. Now, priorities. We have seen there are different priorities, highest, high, medium, low, lowest. We can edit this priority also. We will see how we can edit the priority. We can create our own priorities. Notification and schema. In notification and schema in Jira, determine who gets the notification and when during the life cycle of the issue. It's based on the event. And this notification can be sent to a specific user group's role in the means basically in notification schema and event and notification, you will what you will do? You will edit or give the permission who will be notified if he is doing such relative activity in the issue type. Basically, where there you can add a respective group or add a respective project. Means after doing certain activity in Jira software, who should be notify? Means if he had created the issue, updated the issue, assigned the issue, or resolved the issue, then who, the, who have the permission to get notified. That we will see. And in permission schema, we can create our own new permission schema and add that permission to respective project and add the respective notification who get notified. In permission schema define who can perform what action on the issue within the project. Browse means browse the project. Who can view the project? Which user can browse the project? Which user have the permission to create the issue? Which user have permission to assign? Which user have permission to comment? This we will see in permissions. Now let's move on to our respective Jira. So go to setting, go to work log item. This is a work log item basically. Now what you will see. We have seen the work in previous classes we have seen the work type, work item schema, then subtask we have seen, workflow we have done, we have created a screen, added the screen schema, custom field we have created, field configuration we have done. Now coming to the priorities, this under priority, this priority. What happened currently we have a high, highest, low, lowest. So what we can do, we can edit the priority or we can add one more priority. My suggestion is this is the general all over by default. You can delete it, but my suggestion is do not delete. If in your customer they want to delete, you can delete this one. Okay. Now click here or here you can move up, move down also. You can edit the thing. Go here. You can change the name and edit lowest. In this way, you can edit. You can change the icon from here, anything, or upload the icon. Okay, and select. In this way, you can change, or you can add the priority. Click here, write your demo. Demo priority is this description demo priority priority. Then choose the icon, which icon you want, color, add priority. Now this priority has been added. Yes. So in this way we are adding the priority. Then priority schema. What is priority schema means? This is the default priority. The same thing in all schema means we create one more schema and add those schema to project. Okay. Now default priority is this. You can click this is default priority and this is the new one. You can also go here, add new priority like this is a priority schema. So demo priority SCHEM schema. Designation same demo priority schema. Select the which priority you want to add. I want to add this demo. I have added add schema. So it has been added. Now what next? Now you can what do? You can add the project from here. Click any project like this project I have added. And next, these are the priorities saved. We could not update a schema. Okay, set the priority highest, lowest. I said this. I said mid. Okay. Now I have selected. Okay. Now you have add one schema. You want to delete? Go here. Delete. Okay. I am deleting. Now what? Refresh first. Priority schema. Now we have done priority schema. Now coming to next, time tracking. What is time tracking? So we know basically in IT company there is we have to give 9 hours. In when you join an IT company, then you will get a documentation or offer letter. In that offer letter, they mention you have to work 9.5 hours. You have to work 9 hours. So this is a very good or bad thing you can say of IT industry. If you are in government job, then you have to work. You know how much time you have to work. Now, global time tracking, you can edit. Basically, I have done 9 hours. Previously, it was 8 hours. I can go here, edit. Now your company is very good, very, very good. Means you have to work 7 hours, which will generally not happen. Numbers of working days, 5. Means in 1 week, 5 working days. Then you can select days, this. Okay. And a minute, hour, minute, and it is enabled and saved. So see, you have changed the priorities. Okay. So this is the way you can change the time tracking. This is the global permission. Okay, global setting. Okay, this is a global setting. Now it will be included in the all the project. Okay. Now work clock, one day there will be 7 hours for. Okay, and 1 week there will be 7 days. This is a global permission. Okay. Now work item linking. You can go here. You can deactivate. You can see work item linking is currently on. You can deactivate from here, or you can create a new one. So work item linking. We have seen create, go to create issue. Currently, if we have selected a story, okay, or you have one bug is there, then what is bug? Bug you will link as a blocked by. So linked by, bug is blocked by, okay, and bug should be related to some story. Okay. Now what? Now I want to add a custom linked issue according to the customer requirements. Then how I can do this? Go back. Discard. Name is demo link. Demo link. Now what you can do? You click here. Go here. Cursor paste. Cursor paste. Demo link. Demo link. Add. I have added a refresh. Refresh this. Now what I will do? Go to the work item image. Item. Domo link, it has been added. You can edit or delete from here. Let's check it is added or not because no guarantee of the Jira. I have added many things, but no guarantee. Let me check. Click here. Demo link has been added. Oh, plus. Now in this way, we have created a custom link and added. Now, what next? Now coming to status. Click on status. These are open categories to do 6 associated workflow, and you can go to edit. Okay. So these are basically status: open, in progress, reopen, resolve, closed, QA. These are. Now what you can do? You can basically edit. You can change the name. You can change from category and update. Okay. So these are default. Do not disturb. You can go here, create your own status and add it. Okay. According to their customer requirement. These status do not disturb. Okay. Now we have seen relation work item security schema. Let's see. Oh, this thing we have already seen. You can basically let me tell you again. So currently this is the default which I have already created. Let me create one more work item security. So I say description is same security demo. Add. So two security demo is added. So Work item security schema allow you to control who can and cannot view the work item. Means they consist of numbers of security level which can have user group assignee to them. Okay. When creating and editing the work item, you can specify the level of security for it. This ensure only user who are assigned to this security level may view the work item. So now you have created a your own work item. Now what? You can edit, go here. This thing have no value, go back. Now, security label, go to security label, add the security labels, user group, activities, then you can add the security label from here. Let me duplicate first. Duplicate, leave, to label properly. Duplicate, data mails, select security label, click here. A label one, description, label one, add security label. Security level one, edit, delete, default, add. From here, you can add, uh, go here, to administrator, or these are different types of roles. Predefined administrator means admin. Atlassian, you can choose, do not choose administrator because there will be not, there will be only one administrator. You can choose this one. Then application access, you can go here. Any logged in user can access the application or Jira software. We know conference software, Jira software, Jira software, Jira software. Then you can choose the custom field, change type request field, any field you can just. Then group, as there are different types of group are there. We have created the backend group, front end group. Okay, choose the backend group now. Project lead is there, single user is there. In this way, you can go and add. You can also select approvers, use the custom field, add. One is, please select the valid user custom field. Valid user custom. The custom field approver is not indexed for a searching. Please add the search template to the custom. Uh, Okay, okay. Now you can see this has been single user Anuj Kumar has been added. This is the security level we have given. So in this way, we are adding the security level. So very easy thing. Now we have seen work item security schema. Now what? Notification and permission. Two things are there. So what is notification? Click on the notification. So basically, what is notification? If you do any kind of update in like issue, comment, history, anything, so they will be by default notified. Okay. Now you have seen how if you made any update in any story, then you get notify and you can see from where go to the comment history. You can see. So this is by default notification schema, which is implemented to all. Okay. You can also edit the thing. So by default, this is do not edit this, you can edit which you have created. This I have created. Okay, I can go here, delete, edit, notify. Go to first. I will show you how to create. Add notification schema. Click here. Demo notification Same thing I will write here. Cursor copy, cursor paste, add. Mhm. Now what thing you want to add inside this? You want to work item created, add, add it. Work item created, add it. Current assignee, reporter, what you want, current user, group. In this way, you will choose the all the field. What is the username? In this way, you will add the respective means you are giving the permission and which they will do, they will get notified. In this way, you can add all one by one, whichever you basically needed. Okay. In this way, you will add. Okay. Now, notification is due. So respective person will be notified. Okay. In this way. Now you can go to edit. It is okay. No problem. Leave it. In this way we are doing the thing. If you want to like these are the default. Okay, if you want to edit anything, you can also go here and edit the thing. Change the name. I will cancel, I will go back. Then uh, then you have this is a notification. Click on here. As we have seen how to add the things here. Item, log, item, default, delete, public, close. And when you are creating a project, then you will choose which types of this thing we can do it. Now, coming to the next permission schema. Click on the permission schema. You can see by default, these are the permission, default permission. In the previous project, you have seen in what project we have default permission. These are different types of permission. So what you can do, copy, edit, delete permission. Okay. Now, or add a new, create or add a new permission scheme. So what you can do, like this is a some type of permission. Edit. You can edit the name here. Okay. I don't want to edit the name. Back. Go to permission. After going to permission, let it be open. Okay. Now the permission has been opened. So you can see administration permission are there, project role. These are the role. You can update it from here. Click here, and you can update the project role. Select. You can change group. You can select backend and update it. Okay. In this way, we are changing the administration permission. So you are changing the global permission to the everywhere who have access to this project. So he's in India or outside India, the same, all the thing will be changed. So be careful while doing editing the things. Okay. Now same here you can update. So in this way we are giving the global permission. Click custom field, select approvers, then single user. You can select the username, typing your name this in this way. Select user, project lead. Who is project lead? You are creating a globe, giving the global permission. Okay, players, reporter, in all group which you want to select. I have created backend front and this group I want to select. Application access, Jira software group, backend, project role, select administrator, this, and update. So in this way, you are adding in all. Like issue permission, who will have the permission? You can change. Who will have the create issue? Who can create the issue? Update. Give who can create the issue. Okay. In this way, you are giving the all different types of permission inside a project. Now, like this. In this is the project. Click here. So from here you can see which project have which issue type, which version, which component, which role, which priority, which workflow it is using, this workflow it is using, which notification schema is using. You can go and add your custom notification, okay, in this way. So in this way you can see which project have which thing they are using by default, or you can go and change it, okay, default, default settings. So for today classes, this much is we are going to cover. In next classes, we will see the other things. So in next classes, we are going to cover the, let me open the session, open the slide. So in next classes, we will cover the customization, field and dashboard, and backup and restoration. Okay. So go home, practice this, and be careful in organization. Do not edit the global permission without we have been given a permission to edit the thing. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye bye.